Hello, I'm going to quickly go over everything you need to know about HIIT workouts and PCOS. So HIIT workouts are a huge time saver in the gym, and they offer up a lot of benefits to women with PCOS. So you can get relief from your symptoms without spending as much time away from your family, hobbies, whatever it is that you love to do. So first, you might be asking, what is a HIIT workout? So HIIT is an acronym that stands for High Intensity Interval Training. And basically with HIIT, you're going to alternate between bouts of really intense, fast-paced cardio, whatever feels fast and intense for you, and bouts where you're taking it easy and you're recovering from that more intense period of time that you're working. So you'll have two intervals or periods of time, one I call the work interval and one the recovery interval. The most straightforward example of HIIT is to, let's say, sprint, run as fast as you can for maybe 15 to 30 seconds, and then walk at a moderate to slightly slower pace for maybe 30 seconds or a minute until you recovered. And you repeat these intervals of going really hard, your work interval, and then taking it easy, your recovery interval, usually for anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes. If you're doing a HIIT workout right, you will be pushing yourself hard enough on those work intervals that you really can't go for more than about 20 minutes at the very, very most. Personally, I usually do about 5 to 10 minutes of HIIT and call it good. Okay, so other examples of ways that you can do HIIT is you could do like plyometric or jumping exercises, so like jumping jacks or jump rope or burpees, and then kind of have a recovery period where you might march in place or walk around or kind of just stand still. You can do it on the treadmill, you can do it on a spin bike. That's where I like to do it most of the time. That's a nice low impact option. And then of course you can do walking and running, or walking on a flat surface and then uphill. Climbing stairs like at a stadium, or if your kid like practices at like a high school where there's bleachers, that's a great place to do HIIT. You know, go up really hard and fast and then come down nice and slow for your recovery. All right, so I hope that those are some good examples of HIIT. If you look down in the description below, I have a link to my PDF guide for HIIT workouts, and that will give you a couple different levels of difficulty for HIIT workouts for you to start out with. It's completely free, so just sign up for that if you'd like. All right, so why would HIIT be particularly good for PCOS? Well, the first reason is that there have been a few studies done on women with PCOS doing HIIT workouts, and they tend to lose more body fat than women that are doing a traditional cardio, where you just sort of go at a moderate pace for a longer period of time. In particular, it seems like HIIT might do really well at reducing belly fat, which is a known problem with PCOS. The second reason is that HIIT has heart health benefits. PCOS puts you at risk for heart problems later on in life. So going ahead and doing some kind of cardio workout, HIIT is a great option. To protect your heart from that is a great option. And then the third is that you get more hormonal benefits in less time. So one study had some women doing 20 minutes of HIIT 5 days a week, and another group of women doing 40 minutes of regular cardio 5 days a week. And what they found out is that both groups of women, had about the same results. Their testosterone got lower, they would lose some weight, their insulin resistance improved, all the things that you expect to see from when we do these healthy lifestyle choices for PCOS. But the women who were doing the HIIT were doing it in 20 minutes a day versus 40 minutes a day. And that's a big difference, right? Like 20 minutes a day that you can maybe get back for like your own personal chill out time instead of, being at the gym. I mean, I love being at the gym, but I'm a gym nerd. You're probably not, or maybe you are. But I still don't like doing cardio that much, so I'll always take a shorter cardio session if I can get it. Okay, so that is really the long and short of it. HIIT does a little bit better than regular cardio for PCOS, and it's a way to save time. It's fun. Most people enjoy it. There's a lot of variety for it, and if you're interested in giving HIIT a try, you can click the button below and download my HIIT guide from my website. If you want more time-saving tips or tips about short workouts for PCOS, would you please click like on this video so that I know that's a topic you're interested in? I want to deliver the content that's interesting for you, and I have plenty of tips for how to keep your workouts quick if you have PCOS. All right, you guys go forth, try some HIIT. I hope you love it as much as I do.